Hello dear children, welcome back to your science class. Today we are going to discuss about the cell wall. So let us see few points related to cell wall. Rigid, they are semi-elastic, semi-transparent and protective covering present outside the plasma membrane in plant cells, fungi and prokaryotes. So cell wall, it acts as an outer covering. So where it is present just outside the plasma membrane. It is made up of cellulose in plants, fungal cellulose and chitin in fungi. Extra deposition of lignin, suberin and cutin may be present during secondary thickening. Cell wall possesses small pores through which adjacent cells remain connected, called plasmodesmata. What is role of cell wall? It provides shape to the cells. It provides mechanical strength to the plants. It protects against pathogens and mechanical injury. Growth of the cell wall determines the growth of the cell. Cell wall prevents bursting of cell on endosmosis. It has ability to withstand a lot of variation in nature. Now, very important point for discussion. Does cell wall and plasma membrane are similar in function? Cell wall occurs in plant cells. Plasma membrane occurs in plant and animal cells both. Lies on the outside of the cell. Lies on the outside of animal cells and inside in plant cell. They are rigid and thick. They are flexible and thin. Cell wall is permeable. Plasma membrane is selectively permeable. Formed of cellulose, hemicellulose and pectin, lipids and proteins with small number of carbohydrates are the material with which it is made. It provides protection and strength to the cell. It holds cellular contents and controls the passage. Now let us talk about nucleus. It is also known as the cell brain. The dense protoplasmic body that contains heredity information controlling cell activities as well as for transfer to next generation. So it also helps in transferring materials, genetic materials to the next generation. It lies in medium or central position. In mature plant cell, it lies towards periphery. In prokaryotes, nuclear membrane is absent. It is called nucleoid. Cells like RBC, sieve elements lack nucleus. Cells without nucleus cannot survive for a long time. One nucleus is present in most of the cells, but some cells may have more than one. They are called multinucleate. What is nucleus made up of? Nuclear envelope is a double membrane covering which separates the nucleus from the cytoplasm. Nuclear pores allow the exchange of materials between nucleus and cytoplasm. Nucleoplasm, it is colorless, dense sap found inside the nucleus in which chromatin and nucleolus are suspended. Does cell wall and plasma membrane are similar in function? So, if we talk about nucleus, it represents whole eukaryotic complex that contains genetic information. Nucleolus is component of nucleus. Chromatin material, it is an intertwined mass of thread-like structure. Now, what are these thread-like structures? These thread-like structures are known as chromosomes. Chromosomes are made up of DNA and protein. A chromosome consists of two materials, two similar threads called chromatids, and two chromatids are attached to the center by centromere. Nucleus contains all the genetic information. Its function is to control all the activities of the cell. Division of nucleus is essential for cell division because only after this the cells will get divided. And reshuffling of chromosomes and changes in genes also produce variation.